For young researchers who are at the start of their careers, what advice would you have for them if they're hoping to increase the impact of their research?
Yeah, so I think it's never too early to start, and I think you don't have to be put off by the crazy big dreams of I'm going to finish my PhD and have a spin-out company, or I'm going to change government policy or whatever. You are typically working on a fairly small, narrow field of endeavour, and that's fine. But have to think to yourself, what could I do that might add value? And for me, the first step is to simply go out there and start asking questions, whether that's reaching out via social media, talking to people who are working in similar areas to you, whether that's just other researchers who are more applied than you, or whether it's stakeholders or publics, and finding out what really gets people excited, what's keeping people awake at night in relation to my work. And ask yourself the question, is there something I could do that wouldn't take too much extra work, that could, just by asking an extra question, framing my work in a slightly different way, that could add value to these audiences. What I often find from the research students that I supervise and the students that I train through Fast Track Impact is that these guys report that actually it's these transferable skills that are the things that are the most useful to them, whatever career they go into. And actually, as a result of engaging with people outside academia, they discover a whole world of alternative, often more exciting, interesting, and lucrative career options that they actually end up going into because of the connections and the relationships they make as they reach out and make their research relevant. And for those who do go into academia, yeah, you need your papers and hopefully a bit of a track record and funding to get that prestigious job. But actually having also got impact to your name can enable you to stand out from the crowd and demonstrate that you can do more than just be an amazing researcher. So I think it is incredibly valuable, incredibly important. It doesn't need to detract from your PhD. You can do this in a fairly small amount of time, no matter what your supervisor might tell you. So I'd encourage, go out there and find out what could you do to add that extra value to your early research.